Drip Email Automation App. The pros, the cons. Drip Email Automation App is a marketing platform focused on personalized automation and e-commerce engagement. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just for sending bulk emails. It's actually designed to help businesses deliver highly targeted campaigns based on customer behavior and purchase history. On the pros side, Drip offers advanced automation workflows that trigger emails, SEMs, and notifications based on user actions. Its e-commerce integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce allow marketers to segment audiences, track behavior, and personalize messages in real time. Reporting and analytics provide insight into campaign performance, conversion rates, and ROI. The visual workflow builder is intuitive, enabling teams to create complex automated sequences without coding. On the con side, Drip's pricing can be steep for businesses with large subscriber lists. It also has a learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with behavior-based automation. While the platform excels at e-commerce marketing, service-based businesses may find fewer templates or integrations tailored to their needs. In conclusion, Drip Email Automation App is ideal for e-commerce businesses seeking robust automation and personalization capabilities. While cost and complexity may be considerations for some, its ability to deliver targeted, behavior-driven campaigns makes it a powerful tool for increasing engagement and boosting sales.